How to make a successful post in LinkedIn. Within 2 days, more than 2626 views and 42 posts. It's like a question and a proper hashtags. It's very easy and very simple. I will show you how to do this and achieve your LinkedIn account as more popular. Just start. First of all, you guys need to log in your LinkedIn profile. Once we done that profile, there is a option called post. There is so many options like post, videos and normal post. On the below there is an icon called bar icon. We need to click that icon. Then there is an option called create poll. Just click that and this frame will come. Here you need to ask the question. What kind of question you need to ask? Try to put a question most people can attract. Like example I just mentioning, like which platform is good in real estate, and I just mentioning social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So the people who are working in real estate, they want to know which platform give good result. That's why I can they can run the campaign. Like us, if you want to know which platform is good, they can focus more on there. That's why I just mentioned. And we need to put hashtags. Hashtag is most important. We need to put proper hashtag helps more reach. Example I just mentioning social media hashtag so many companies are using. So if you use this hashtag here, those people also see this post. That's why we get more reach there. So try to add 4 to 5 hashtag, but good one like this. So I just mentioned only 5 hashtag. That's it. And how it's look like the alignment, it's so proper and so clean. So mostly we need to do like this. It will reach more peoples. So once I done this is look like how it's look like. Then just done, then post. There are so many options, like we can add one by one what are the questions, then done, post. So once it's done, it's look like, let show you how it's look like. It's look like this. So other people will see this and they will, of course it's so attractive, so the people like that post. And if the question is good, they can ask the question, they out the question like you guys will do right now. Then you guys will see how much within 1 minute you guys will see the result, because that many people will see that thing. So there is so many options are there, like post video, and I show you once more how it's getting. So it's will nice. So like that you guys will need to do that. So in the profile how it's look like, I will show you there. Here is not there. Then there is an option called post view. There if you click that one, you will see. And even you can use the same concept in your own companies, like your, if you working in a company there also you can use the same concept. If they using the same concept, so many people will view, see, because of the hashtag and all, and your company followers will increase faster. See now it 7 people within just 2 minutes, 7 people already watch my post. So like that I will show you the result after 1 hour or after 2 days. The 2 days report will I show you before, how it's around 2626 view are found. So if you click this view, it will show which company you are getting and what audience peoples are looking your post, like that. So once you see these marketing companies and all, all type of people are seeing my post because of the hashtag, and because I have more than 11,000 followers. I will show you the second video how to make this many followers. See, they already vote, around 7 people vote, so it will show you 1 2 3 4. So there you need to post. And see, LinkedIn I got already 25 percentage, Instagram is 75, mostly people in Instagram. And next video I will show you how to increase the followers. Like me, I have more than 11,000 followers, and how to increase the company page followers also. Subscribe.